Sachi Alexander Annan, and I'm standing in my brand new bathroom that was built by the Plumber team. Being a teenage girl, I've always been complaining about my lack of private bathroom. You know, I like my privacy, I like my own space, and because we had such a limited amount of room, we didn't think it would be possible for me to have such a, wonderful bathroom. However, with the help of the Plumber team and all their great work that they put in, I've got a shower, a toilet and a sink and a heater even, which is everything I could possibly need, and I'm now very happy. So thank you for your hard work, and the results are great.